St. Joseph's College for Women, Visakhapatnam, Department of English, welcomes you all to the online course on Professional Communication in Practice. Module 1, Foundations of Communicative Language. I'm Veena Spandana, Assistant Professor, Department of English. Will be guiding you through Module 1. Let's discuss on the learning outcomes, meaning what the learners will be able to learn by the end of this module. It will help them to understand principles of effective professional communication and also distinguish verbal and non-verbal communication in workplace context, and to address language barriers with appropriate strategies, followed by we practice cultural sensitivity in professional interactions, and finally we learn to use the tone, clarity and etiquette for effective communication. And in the next, well, in module 1, these are the subtopics we will be discussing. Topic 1, we will be talking on foundations of communicative language, and topic 2, we will discuss on principles of effective professional communication, followed by in topic 3, we talk about verbal and non-verbal communication in different work settings, and in topic 4, we will talk on overcoming language barriers and cultural sensitivity, and finally, we will have a glimpse of the role of tone, clarity and professional etiquette, which will be the last topic of this module. Let's get introduced to the topic. Firstly, what is foundations of communicative language? Effective professional communication is built on a strong foundation of language that is clear, purposeful, and context appropriate. In workplace settings, communication goes beyond words to include tone, structure, nonverbal cues, and cultural awareness. And also, understanding the foundational principles of communicative language, it enables the individuals to convey ideas accurately, collaborate effectively, and maintain professionalism across diverse interactions. This foundation supports confident expression, mutual understanding, and successful professional relationships. In the next slide, we will talk on why professional communication matters. Let me ask you a simple question. How many of you feel confident speaking English in front of others? Many graduates hesitate. That is normal. Today, employees do not look only at marks or degrees. They look at how you speak, how clearly you explain ideas, and how confidently you communicate. Communication skills helps you to succeed in interviews, work effectively in teams, and grow in leadership roles. In today's world, professional communication determines career success. So employers expect graduates to communicate clearly, participate actively, and express ideas confidently in professional settings. In this slide, we will be talking about communicative language in practice. Have you ever understood broken English clearly? Communicative language focuses on what you want to say and how clearly you want to say. In professional life, effectiveness matters more than grammatical perfection. Communicative language means using English meaningfully in real life situations. It doesn't mean speaking perfect English. Many students know grammar rules, but they hesitate to speak. Knowing English and using English are different. Communicative language focuses on purpose, what do you want to say, not on perfection. Simple English used confidently is effective communication. Yes, we will talk about language versus communication. Language focuses on grammar rules, whereas communication focuses on meaning and clarity. If your grammar is perfect but your listener doesn't understand you, communication fails. If your grammar has small mistakes but your message is clear, communication succeeds. Always remember, clarity is more important than grammatical perfection. In this slide, we will be talking about common challenges faced by graduates. Before we go into the slide, let me ask you a question. What stops you from speaking English freely? Mistakes are the proof that you are trying. Most graduates face these challenges. Fear of making mistakes stops many students from speaking. Thinking in the mother tongue, limited vocabulary, and hesitation are very common. If you face these problems, please understand that you are not weak in English. You simply need practice and the right approach. Yes, communication is not one skill, it is a combination of skills. and it is built on four core skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These skills are interconnected. Listening improves the speaking, reading improves the vocabulary, writing improves the thinking. Strong communication happens when all four skills develop together. Let's talk about the first skill. Listening is the foundation of communication. Good speakers are always good listeners. Listening doesn't mean only hearing words, it means understanding ideas. In academics and workplaces, listening carefully helps you respond confidently and appropriately. And the second skill is on speaking. Clarity and influence, confidence over correctness, context based speaking. Speaking is how we express ideas. Many students worry about pronunciation and fluency. Remember, confidence is more important than correctness. Do not wait for perfect English. Speak daily. Even if it is simple, regular speaking practice is a key to fluency. Professional speaking is about clarity and confidence. So, speaking regularly, even in simple English, improves fluency over time. And the third skill, we have reading. Reading helps you understand how English works naturally. Skimming helps you grasp the main ideas. Scanning helps you to locate information. And critical reading develops thinking skills. Students who read regularly speak and write better English automatically. Fourth skill we have on writing. Writing with clarity and purpose. Clear sentence construction, logical organization, and professional tone. Writing reflects your thinking. Clear thinking shows clear writing. Whether it is an exam, answer, email, or report, your writing should be simple, organized, and professional. Writing is an important part of communication. Yes, we will talk about functional English for daily use. Functional English means using English for real purpose. Introducing yourself, giving opinions, asking questions, agreeing or disagreeing politely are daily communication needs. English is not just a subject, it is a tool for interaction and expression. Professional vocabulary development. Academic terms, workplace expressions, action verbs. Vocabulary shows your professionalism. Graduates should focus on academic words, workplace expressions, and action verbs. For example, instead of saying I did many things, say I handled many multiple responsibilities. Small changes in words make a big difference. In this slide, we will talk about academic and professional communication. Before I ask, let me ask you a question. What helps when fear controls communication? Well, in academic and professional communication, we do use a lots of vocabulary that are very formal. We do give many seminars, presentations, viva answers, interviews we attend, meetings we present, and then we draft lots of emails. In such situations, you make sure that your tone is very formal and the vocabulary that you choose is also very formal. This will be the last slide of our Module 1, Topic 1. We will talk about the confidence and fluency. Think in ideas, avoid translation from mother tongue, improve fluency, accept mistakes. Mistakes show that you are trying. Mistakes indicate that you are learning. Reduces fear as well. And then practice, practice, practice. Remember, communication will get improved only if you practice, and you will attain confidence and you will not hesitate or pull yourself back when you talk. Fluency also develops through regular use of practice. As we continue this course, you will apply this foundation in professional context. And let's wrap up here. Remember to join me in the next topic on effective professional communication. Thank you.